Right, so today is a Wednesday, 18th of November. Welcome to another new live session sponsored by Anuit Trading. So let's see what we have for today. So let's go to GJ, right? GJ has been stuck. Somebody has to press the button on GJ for it to either break above 138,292 or break below all these ranges. Look at this range. This range is just like a barcode, up and down, crazy range. So earlier today, yeah, I had a buy over here, right over here. I opened it and I closed it. I had a two lot, opened it and just closed it. Not even a minute. And then price just dropped down. So why? Because there's resistance here. And my rule was to wait for 138,292 to break, which it looked like it was going to push up here, broke the highs, went into around 5 pips profit, like from 4-5 pips profit. Yeah, 4 pips profit, and then came back to my entry, and at my entry I closed it, and price is now just heading down into this range, and back into this range. So my trade for buys would be 138,292. So I can't believe that GJ is still stuck. So these are one of this type of price action is just like one of those days, in at least 1 month you get one of these days where price will just be ranging, testing your patience, and you have to sit on your hands. These days, this time you have to sit on your hands, because there's no point putting money on, there's no point buying or selling, because everywhere you look there's some traffic, right? So, and gold, yeah, gold is also doing the same thing, broke below this. So this analysis was done. This analysis was done in the morning today. Yeah, morning today. We were just discussing with one of my friends. Was talking about gold buys, and then gold broke down here and broke down all the way here. So buys were right about this, but didn't take anything. No buys, no sells. Just looking at price action. Currently, gold is also just ranging very slow, very, very slow. And also, yeah, we spoke about GBP USD in the morning as well, like with one of my friends. And this was the move which we were anticipating for GJ yesterday, once it broke the high, and to go all the way up. So then what happened, like just paper traded this, didn't take this trade, paper traded this just to see if GU is still the same. The GU is the same, broke the high over here, price came up, but didn't close above resistance, created a 30-minute medium weak bearish candle, and then this candle broke the high. So just in my head, I anticipated, okay, I'm entering a position. So just for visual representation, put this up. Price went up into what? Let me see. 11 pip profit, came all the way down, dipped down here, 4 pip drawdown, and then hit take profit. So, but once again, I didn't take this trade. This was just for education purposes. And yep. So let's analyze this fully, right? Let's remove everything here. Let's remove everything, remove drawings. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, and let's see what we can do, what we can see. Okay. Yeah, so now you see, look at this, right? Look at this candle for 1, 2, 3, 4 days. GBP JPY has been like this. Yeah, something big is going to happen either tonight for NYSE Open, or tomorrow, or maybe next week. Something to do with Brexit, or something to do with Boris Johnson. 100%, because this is very indecisive, right? So insider trading, somebody is waiting for the button be pushed. Some button has to be pushed, or some news has to come out, or somebody has to die, or something is going to happen, something big is going to happen for this to either push up or either just dip all the way down and retest these lows. So yeah, when candles are forming like this, printing side by side, you should be very, very, very careful. You should be very careful. You should reduce your lot size. You should reduce your risk. So now let's analyze this, right? So like this is a daily. So let's go. Let's take our horizontal line. Let's place this right over here. So once again, daily is being supported. There's a support on the daily. This candle broke the high, but couldn't close above this candle, came down. This candle printed side by side. And this candle is the yesterday's candle. This candle is yesterday's candle. And Now there's some kind of a mini resistance here, couldn't break above this, and so let's place this as well. This is the resistance, yeah. So it matches with this once again. And if we break below this, right? If we break below 137,771, we will be coming down to fill this area. Why? Because clean candles. So let's put that up as well. Let's put it right over here. Yeah, because why? Because support, support, resistance. Previous support now turned resistance, right? So we have this clean area to fill, just like yesterday, same analysis as yesterday, but just doing it all over again. Because when you come to the markets, you need to be fresh. You can't look at yesterday's analysis or today morning's analysis. You have to be fresh because you might miss some information, right? So you have to be fresh, place fresh analysis, and yeah. So right now, looking at this, if this breaks below this, we are coming all the way here. If this breaks above, I would say 138,300. So 138,300. That's not 30 minutes. So let's wait till this happens. So what happens now? We will go to the 4-hour, and we see if the 4-hour candle, if the 4-hour candles are printing side by side or respecting our daily annotation, right? So when we see this, look at the 4-hour, just like a barcode, up, down, up, down, up, down. So something is really cooking. Something is cooking, something's gonna happen for sure, for sure. So now we draw this. So this area is a resistance once again, very strong resistance. So since 13th of November to 18th of November, that is 5 days and 8 hours, this has been respected. So something big is going to happen. Something big is coming. We just don't know what it is. We just don't know when it's going to happen. Might take us by surprise, or might happen during Asian when we are not trading. So something is going to happen. So let's remove this visual representation once again. Let's place this. Okay, now you see that the 4-hour is in between this range, and also you see another support right over here. So let's draw that up as well, right here, right here. Why do I draw that? Because this has been respected. Support, this came down, touched this, went up, and then you look left. Since this touched this, why did this touch and go up? You look left and you see the more you extend this, the more confirmation you get, right? So this area is some kind of a resistance, so which means a support. Previous resistance now turns support. And right now you see GJ is coming down 137,882, and yeah, I'm still waiting for this to clear. So once this clears, you see this area. This area looks really good. This area right over here, right? 130 pips, 130 pips, and this area. See this wick on the left. This wick can get filled. So now you see, okay, you know what? This area is a resistance over here. So you place this up over here. Okay, and then what you do, remove this, and then you place this magic rectangle right over here. Okay, it's perfect. So now we know what we are looking at. What is this? Yeah, so now we know what we are looking at on the 4-hour. And so what do? We go to the 1-hour. We go to the 1-hour. So buying bias would be if price breaks up about 138,300, we are coming all the way to fill this area. So 138,807 right over here. This is the buying bias right over here. And so this area is a clean area. Only one candle has tried to pierce through it, touched this area, came back down, right? This happened on the 16th at 3:30 p.m. And right now candles are just printing side by side. So now you gotta go to the 1-hour. You gotta see if your 4-hour analysis is correlated with the 1-hour. Now you see, okay, perfect. 4-hour analysis is correlating with the 1-hour. So let's clean this up. Perfect. This is also perfect. Lovely. And this is also perfect. So perfect. 1-hour matches with the 4-hour. You see this, if candle breaks about 138,300, we are coming all the way up here. So let's put this up properly as well. Yeah, right here. Why? Because candles close side by side, so we don't have to take the wick into consideration. Only with momentum wicks get filled. So right now we see price is breaking below this, right? The price is breaking below this, and what do we see here? Yeah, let's enlarge this. Let's enlarge this, and price is coming to this area. So let's say taking a sell, right? Taking a sell here, it's around 20 pips, but still this area is a liquidity pool. Yeah. This area is a liquidity pool. What I mean by liquidity pool is that when price comes down, gets pushed up, there are lots of buyers waiting here. Simple terms, right? Lots of buyers waiting here. When price dips down, this is a fancy area to buy, so people buy. So we need some kind of a very strong confirmation to either buy or either sell. Yeah, we need some kind of confirmation to either buy or either sell. So over here we see that this area selling will be really good. So let's put this up. Sells below 138. Sells below, right below this. Yeah, sells below 137,545. Yeah, that'll be good. Sells below 137. 137, what is this number? 137. Okay, 558. All right, let's put it at 558. Okay, so sales below 137, 558, right over here. And buys above 138, 300. 138, 300 is holding like solid concrete. Didn't break. Look at this. From 16th, from 13th, all these soldiers have been trying to break through this wall, couldn't break up. Then one fine day at 4:30, we got that massive push all the way up and then came down. And then ever since that, all these people have been trying and they couldn't break up. They couldn't break up. So now we are waiting. So buys above 138, 300. Buys above 138, 300. Okay, so these are the two things that I'm looking at. And on the 30-minute, same thing. 30-minute correlates with the 1 hour as well. Just gotta clean this up. Let's go. Yeah, it looks okay. It looks fine. So looks okay, looks fine. And now you see that, look at this mess, right? This is an entire range. So obviously there are mini resistance, mini supports inside this range, but I'm not gonna draw that. Why am I not gonna draw that? Because I wanna keep my charts clean. Keep your charts clean so your trades can be better. So right over here, yeah, so this looks pretty good, right? So this is an entire range. So this range, you have to avoid this range. This range is a deadly range, so you have to avoid this range. Yeah, you got to avoid that range. And sells below here also I wouldn't be taking. Why? Because this is another range, liquidity pool over here. And looking left, right, you look left and then you go down all the way, you see clean candles to the left. So you have to wait. Like GJ is going to present us with something big. So until it gives us something big, you have to wait and you have to appreciate what it's doing right now. You got to wait. Like you got to respect price. Okay, you want to take your time, go ahead, take your time. I'm not going to force a trade on you, you know. So you got to appreciate GJ, like, because GJ has been paying us for like what, since October, since I've been trading GJ, it's been paying me. So like, and since when this live stream started, GJ has been paying us, right? So we got to give some space to GJ. You know what, do your thing. You're waiting for something, no problem. Let's see what GJ brings us. So that's about on GJ. So 30 minutes. So 30 minutes. So when, this is my tip, right? When price is ranging, you don't go to a time frame anything below 30 minutes. 30 minutes is the minimum time frame. Because if you go to, let's go to the 15 minute, right? If you go to the 15 minute, you're gonna get pretty confused. So look at these ranges on the 15 minutes. Range. It's like just mountains, like barcodes, all range, right? So to not confuse yourself, let's stick to the 30 minute and the 1 hour. So when you have a range, when you have consolidation happening, you stick to 1 hour or like a higher time frame to give you an overall idea. Because if you go to a 15 minute, if you go to a 5 minute, you will see that price is just rejecting, like, you know, going down, going up. So this, I would say 1 hour looks pretty clean for me. Simple. Buys above 138, 300 and sells below 137, 558. That's it. Simple as that. Because sells below 138, 558, I would expect, I would expect this area. this area all the way from here to here. First stop, we will get price to come down to this is around 40 pips. Amazing, 40 pips. First target. So let's draw that as well. Why? Because this rejected right over here, right? This rejected right over here. This is our first target. And then we see clean candles once again to this area. So let's clean this up here. Let's bring this up right over here. Yep. So resistance, resistance. So we have two good ranges to play with, right? So you have to wait. You can't like lose money in these ranges. Losing money in these ranges is not worth it. There's no point taking it. Even me, right? Today I took a trade. I had a 2-lot open, right? I had a 2-lot open, and then I thought to myself, you know what? Yesterday, GJ fooled us. Yesterday, we were trying to force a trade right over here, and price didn't break up. Price didn't break up. So I didn't want to risk it. I wanted 138. These are my conditions. These are my criterias. Buys above 138,300 and sells below 137,558. So those are my criterias for today. And if we get that today, no worries. I'll be willing to execute on them. And if we don't get it, then that's good. So there's no stress. There's no losing money, trying to make money. That mental stress is no more. So don't worry. So some days you just don't make money. Simple as that. Some days you just watch the market. Some days you watch price action. Some days you write on your journal, you take down notes. You just because GJ, so this is my rule, right? Just because GJ isn't paying us, right? GJ, nothing is happening on GJ, right? Doesn't mean you have to trade like other pairs outside your trading list, right? So for me, I have gold. See, gold is also still ranging. Gold broke the low here, came down, but nothing happened. Gold is also still ranging. GBP USD is also like, in a very, very iffy area here. So I would probably wait for GJ because GJ has been teasing us since yesterday. Tried to go up, couldn't. Tried to take another buy yesterday, couldn't. And now, so today, to be honest, I am just waiting on GJ. I am just waiting because this is very scary. This is very scary because price is just ranging for 4 days straight. It's been ranging. So if it's ranging, there is something loading up, something cooking, like you just think about this, right? Like price has been perfect for the past few weeks. Awesome. November, beginning of November was awesome. Last week, Monday was superb. So maybe it's resting, right? Maybe it's resting, and like, you never know. You got to think like that. Why am I trying to force a trade when I can just get some buys about 138,300, 137,558? So you got to be specific with your trades. You got to be specific for what you're looking for, and yes, those are very important things. And like my zones, so basically my zones might not be the zones that you have drawn, and it might not be like accurate or like, not correlate with your zones. But this is drawn from daily to one daily to the 30-minute. So there are many zones here. See, this is a mini zone once again, but I am looking once again for buys above 138,300 and sells below 137,558. So that is on GJ. So let's place some alerts, right? So this is a long way. This is also like, this is 50-50, right? Price can come here, price can come here. So let's just go and analyze gold, right? So let's go to gold. Let's reset this chart. Okay, let's reset this chart. Let's remove drawings. Okay, let's go to the daily. Always, oh, gold is breaking down. Okay, let's go to the daily. Yeah, let's look at GJ. Oh, GJ is pulling itself up here. Yeah, so let's go to the daily and let's see. Let's analyze this properly, right? So let's see. Keeps in the middle like this. Once again, take your drawing tool, horizontal line, and then use this is a resistance formed. Then this is another resistance formed over here, which is a support. And then this is a support formed right over here. Yeah, it's support. So on the daily, we have this, right? Price is trading within this range, 200 pips. Okay, 200 pips. And we have this area as well right over here. Okay, So if we now you have to think about the main picture here. The main picture is that if we break up over 1891, we have clean candles to the left, clean candles in 1931. Now obviously there is some kind of resistance here. So let's draw this up as well because it's respected on the daily. Why? Because there's some support here. So we have a very clean traffic for 190 pips. 190 pips. So this is the overall picture. And if you're selling below 1850, below these wicks, then we have a clean range up to 1813 on the daily. Once again, this is on the daily. So overall picture, right? This is the overall picture. So now we go to the 4-hour. Let's go to the 4-hour and let's see if our daily is correlated with the 4-hour. So we see that this area, right? Okay, so this area is the recent, this area, yeah, a lot of areas here. This area is the recent, obviously look at the recent price actions. This is the recent price action. So what do? Remove this, and put your magic rectangle right over here. All right, perfect. Now you see, now you enlarge this, right? Now you see that, keep it here. Now you see that there's some kind of a support here. 4-hour support is pretty important. And then you draw this, right? So when you draw this, you see that price is like this. Yeah. Yep. So price is like this, just like this, inside this range. And then today, yesterday at 3:30 we broke below, fine. And then we had this area again. So lots of stuff happening here on the 4-hour, right here. Yep. So right here. Why do I say that? Because price came down. We found a support here. So you look left. We had a support here. We had a very strong support here. So now that support's been broken. So this was today's candle at 11:30 a.m. 4-hour has been broken. So we might get a wick fill. Yeah, we might get this wick fill over here. Yep, so we might get this wick fill over here. And then, yeah, so this, if you extend this to the left, you see there's support on the left, right? So perfect. And then we have another support right over here. So let's draw this support. Okay, perfect. So now I think gold, yeah, gold is coming down to fill this wick. Gold is coming down to fill that wick. So let's go to the 1-hour. Right now we go to the 1-hour to see if our 4-hour charts are perfect. So on the 4-hour, like on the 1-hour, okay, perfect. This is correlating with this. Let's clean this up. Let's clean this up. Yep. Yep. So this has been, yeah, so let's keep this here. Okay. Yeah. So once we break up over here, we have this big fill over here, and then there's on the 1-hour they show another zone right over here. So many zones on the 1-hour, and then we see that this was a massive zone which was respected. Yeah, it was respected throughout yesterday. Just came down. This was on the vaccine optimism. Yeah, came down and then went all the way back up, and now this went up. This was around 1:30 today. 1883. Yeah, 1883, and then couldn't break up. See, perfect. Couldn't break up. So strong support is now turned into a strong resistance. So this came down, right? This came down, broke below this. Broke below this. Now 1-hour broke the low, so higher chance of gold going down to fill this. Oh, this is a support. Okay, so now we see another level right over here. Yeah, right over here. Right, correct. Yeah, we see another level. Why? Because candles close side by side. When candles close side by side, you need to draw your support or resistance because they respected it, right? This candle respected it. This is 1-hour, so very strong, very strong. And then we extend this to the left to see if it correlates. Yes, it does. You see this guy came all the way down here, kissed this and went back up. This guy came here, went back up, came down here, kissed this, went back up. Same thing here. So this area is a very strong area. So you have to keep that in your mind, and let's clean this up as well. Okay, perfect. So now you know that if we break below this, there is a range of almost 40, 50 pips. Yeah, 40, 50 pips. So now what you do is you scroll down to the 30-minute. Oh, wow. Yeah, this move, we missed it. Yeah, see this move, price came down here, price broke the low and it went all the way down. Yeah, we missed that move. Yeah, so this, if I was looking at this, I would have taken this. So stops would have been around, yeah, 20, 25 pips, 23 pips for a gain of 43 pips. Yeah, yeah, so it is what it is. Some moves you miss, some moves you get, you know, simple as that. So on the 30-minute, it correlates. So you see this area. These are mini areas here, mini resistance, mini supports. So you don't have to worry about that. Let's keep it clean. Today, the goal is to keep your charts clean, because you see that, you know, a lot of ranging, a lot of consolidation happening, like no trading areas, right? Like nothing looks appealing here. Not really, nothing looks appealing here. Like the only thing that looks appealing here is that if this breaks below this, maybe we can get a trade down. And if this breaks the high over here, yeah, if this breaks the high over here, then probably we can get this entire range back up in play. But apart from that, yeah, nothing looks appealing. Nothing looks appealing right now. So this is around 41 pips. Yeah, no, nothing looks appealing. So let's go to the 15-minute. 15-minute. Oh yeah, 15 minutes. So I was actually looking at this, you know, when I came to the charts, I saw this. So this closed like this. So I wanted this candle to form like this. And let me show this properly, right? So I wanted this candle to form like this, and the next candle to break the low so I can take a trade down. But that didn't happen. It broke the high, went up. But just because it broke the high didn't mean we were going to take a buy, because there was heavy resistance here and price was bearish, right? So now while we were explaining GJ, this formed like a 30 minutes. On the 30-minute, it's higher and stronger confirmation, formed a weak bullish candle, and this guy came down and was like, oh, you're weak, smashed him down, got this trade, and all the way down. So I didn't take a trade on this. Once again, this is just educational purpose, and can expect a trade below this area, because why? Clean wicks to the left, and looking further, we have these candles here. So looking at that, very choppy price action. Like I would say, in November, this has been the hardest week. This has been the hardest week for me. And yeah, so same thing. Look at this, came down, pushing up. So gold, yeah, nothing much on gold as well. Just ranging. Everything is ranging. So let's go to GBP USD, right? So GBP USD, let's do a fresh analysis once again. Demo drawings, let's go to the daily. So these are our weapons. One GJ, one is gold, and one is GBP USD. So we use GJ every single day to like shoot down trades and catch trades. We use gold once in a while to catch big trades. Sometimes gold gives us those winnings in matter of seconds, right? GU is like, you know, that weapon which you use like, you know, after some time, like it's worn out, but whenever you feel like it, you use that GU. So because GU during Asian and during New York and London is like pretty strong. Like pound is strong, USD is strong. So who's gonna win? Like, you know, something like that. So yeah, so this is pulling its bands up. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. It looks like this. So that's pulling its bands up on the 1 hour, and yeah, not trading there. And GPUSD, let's draw our lines. Horizontal line right over here. Why? Because this was a resistance. Yesterday it was a resistance. 11th of November it was a resistance, and then once again 19th of August, and this was a gap that was from the 4th of September. So yeah, and then we have this area right over here. Once this breaks up over here, we have this wick which is around 30-40 pips away, and I would say we'll place it right here. Why am I placing it here? Because this area acted like a support right over here, right? Support, and then this broke down. So same thing here, this area came up and rejected. So this area looks fancy, and then let's draw our support right here. Why is this support? Price came down, created support, went up. So then we look left. We see that, okay, so if this created support, we look left, got rejected. These guys also, like, you know, if we place it here, yeah, this looks better. Yeah, recent support, right? These guys came up here. So this was a fake out, came back down. These guys rejected it, supported, rejected, supported. So and this also rejected. So now you know if price breaks up over 132.758, we are getting a move up to 133.300 on the daily. So if price breaks below, we are correcting this move up all the way here. Why here? Because recent support, and right over here we have resistance, and right over here we have another support here. Yeah. So let's see how it goes. Yeah. So look at news. Let's look at news. Oh, okay. So this was the move for gold 7 minutes ago. Yeah, vaccine 95% effective in final analysis of big trial. Okay, so let's look at this. Yeah, final data analysis shows COVID vaccine is 95% effective. Plans to submit to FDA in days. Okay, so this is very good for gold. I mean, this is pretty good for gold and very good for GJ as well. Yeah, pretty good for gold and very good for GJ. Yep. So let's see what happens. Yeah. Okay. Where were we? Yeah, we were looking at this. So let's keep an alert right over here, just in case if price runs down, you know. 15 minutes on this. Yeah. So not taking a sell. I'm not taking a sell, not taking a buy. I'm waiting for price action to confirm this. Price action needs to confirm this. So based on that, I will be taking taking a position, but right now nothing much. So let's see. Yeah, the gold is sitting down. Yeah, GPUSD, right? GPUSD is breaking up over here at this strong resistance. If we break down, we are coming all the way back down here. And so let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour looks like this. 4 hour is also very choppy. 4 hour looks like this. So this matches with the 4 hour. So what do we do? We look left. Yeah, so this is doing some kind of a retest. Yeah, broke up over here, doing a retest to go back up. Maybe. So let's draw this magic rectangle right over here. Okay, so probably a retest to go up, or probably something to come down. But see, look, super choppy price action. Super choppy price action. Super choppy price action. And you see that these candles are also, yeah, there's lots of resistance and supports over here. A lot of levels here. Yeah, very choppy over here. Yeah, super choppy, super choppy. Euro AUD is also a very good pair to trade during London, like Euro AUD. Yeah, Euro AUD is pretty good. GBP AUD is like, it moves a lot, GBP AUD, but I haven't looked at them for a long time. But yeah, so yeah, so right now price is just breaking up over here, and we might get a wick fill to this area. Further up, yep, further up over here, and then looking left. Let's look left. Yeah, so you see this candle, right? You see this area. This area is very important. Yeah, this area is a rejection area. Extend this to the left. all the way to the left, and you see that this area is a rejection area. And once this area is cleared, we have this candle all the way here. So let's bring this right over here. Yeah, so looks okay, looks fine. Oh, yeah, it's crossing this down. It's coming down, but taking a trade on this is super risky. 24 pips for a gain of 47 pips. Super risky, super risky. 15 minutes. Yeah, broke the low. Yeah, we are getting that move. We are getting this wick fill down here. Yeah, I'm not in this trade. I'm not taking a trade. Not taking a trade because I want a high probability trade. High probability trade because right now, yeah, we are going down. We have broken this, but this is once again a strong support. We are getting that move probably once people in the US wake up and they absorb this news, they absorb this vaccine news, we are going down. See, making one lose money and not really affecting now. Yeah, see, he's right. This news has been absorbed. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'm feeling this wick all the way here. People are waking up in the US. Yeah, I'm not in this trade. This was like what, 40 pips move. 40 pips to the, oh, look at that. Came all the way here. 1864 hit. So next target would be, let's look at the next target. Yeah, the next target would be this area. 1858. 1858 is the next target. 1858 is the next target on gold. So Mr. FX101 sent me this news. So props to him if you guys took this trade. Not this one. If you guys took this trade based on this, because I wouldn't have gone through this. So perfect. Yeah, so we are heading down. We are heading down, all the way down. Yep. So at this point, taking a sell will be super risky. I am not looking for trades on gold today because 60 pips to go. 60 pips, no. 60 pips is too much for a stop loss. Pretty good for a stop loss. Oh, wow. Mr. Who's this? Let's see. Mr. Rashif Rashad. Yeah, he took sells on gold. 1870. Let's look at 1870. 1870 was right. 1870. Oh, okay. You took sells right over here. Nice. So you made you had a 0.5 and you secured 28 pips. 28 pips. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, the 60 pip move, you secured a lot. Yeah, very good. You're up for the day. Very good. Now you have to conserve those profits. So you have to either be done today or you have to conserve that and use maybe a small percentage of those profits to take another trade. It's pretty good. On the 1 hour, let's go to the 1 hour. So 1 hour looks like this. Yeah, it's pretty choppy. It's coming back into this range. 30-minute, same thing, this range. Yeah, GU doesn't look fancy at all today. I am personally waiting for GBP JPY. My eyes are set on GBP JPY. Gold tried to grab my attention, but no, today I am only taking a trade, just one trade on GJ, and if I get it, I get it. If not, I will call it a day on GJ. Yeah, because this week has been super hard. This week has been pretty hard, and like I'm up for the week and I'm willing to conserve those profits until we see clear skies. Hard times take very stringent measures. Yeah, so this low broke. So how could we have taken this trade? So once the move happens, so if you're not in the move, no problem. So what you can do is you analyze this. So next time it happens, you can take the trade, right? So price broke below this, and we had this area right over here. See, exactly, price touched this and went up. We had that area. As soon as it broke your tops would have been around 27 pips, 24 pips for a gain of 55 pips. Yeah, 55 with spread, let's say 50 pips. Yeah, with spread, let's say 50 pips. Simple. So yeah, so now price is just at this point. So people in the New York are waking up and they are absorbing this news, and let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Me personally, I'm waiting for this. I am waiting for GJ. GJ is testing my loyalty. GJ is testing my loyalty. GJ is testing my loyalty. This is not a buy stop. This is let's put this here, right? Yeah. I am personally waiting for 138.300 to break. 138.300 to break and 137.558 to break. Yep. So these two areas are pretty yeah, pretty interesting. Let's look at news. So what do we have today? Today we have at 7 p.m. CAD CPI. We don't trade CAD. Then we have yeah, USD housing starts. All yellow folder news, nothing much. Thursday. So yeah, wow, it's gonna be Thursday tomorrow. Crazy. Thursday we have yeah, AUD, JPY. Is today a JPY holiday? No, right? So I saw some day was JPY holiday. JPY holiday is next week. Yeah, Monday we have JPY holiday. Yeah, so that doesn't matter. Oh, Monday we have lots of GBP news. It's gonna move the markets. Tuesday, nothing much. Wednesday next week. Yeah, nothing much. Once again, USD news. Thursday, yeah. Oh, USD bank holiday on Thursday. Okay. Yep, so nothing much. So 2 weeks clear, except this week has been pretty slow. Pretty slow. The JPY came down, told everybody, you know what, I might be going down, but it's pulling its pants up back in the range. Look at this guy, came down all the way to 1863, went up to 1867. So pretty good. Yeah, so everything is moving very it doesn't move like this, you know. Markets don't move like this. So yeah, so there is no need, if you haven't taken a trade, that's perfectly fine. There is no need to rush. There is no need to, like, you know, force a trade. It's always best to stay in cash. And what I mean by staying in cash, it's you don't have any positions running, because there is tomorrow, there's day after, there's next week. So always be patient and always just look for opportunities. So right now I've set my targets. I'm waiting for price to come to me. I'm not going towards price. I'm waiting for price to come to me. So I am like I'm like a predator. I'm waiting for this to come for me to get it. I'm waiting for this to happen for me to get it. So price is just in this no trade area. So because it's in this no trade area, I am not willing to take a trade there. Even gold, right? Like, it's like somebody is holding back the markets, because you know, this news is pretty good. Yesterday on Monday we got that shelf life was extended, but I was telling you that, okay, if they tell that the vaccine was 95% effective or 98% effective, gold's gonna move. So gold only moved what? Gold moved like from here, moved around. Oh, it did move 100 pips. Okay, yeah, it did move 100 pips. So 100 pips is nothing for gold. Yeah, 100 pips is nothing for gold. Gold is now, like, it's like this, like when you have enough disposable income, but like, let's say buying something, for example a car, right? Buying a car, buying a Ferrari will become nothing. So when you don't have disposable income, so you buying a normal car will be like it's too costly, it's a big dent, right? So over here, gold moving 100 pips is nothing, because gold has enough volume. So enough volume, enough volatility.
So 100 pips on gold is nothing. So back in the day, 100 pips on gold was like a big thing. Oh, dude, I got 100 pips on gold. It took me a day. It took me 3 days to get the 100 pips. Now you can just tell your buddies, you know what? I took a trade and I got 100 pips in 15 minutes. Yeah, yeah. So lots of things. And GJ is just trying its best, testing our patience. So days like these, you need to like, you know what, get some food and, yeah, get some coffee or get some tea and just enjoy, you know, just enjoy, no stressed out. You know, you don't owe anybody any cash, you don't owe the markets anything, the markets don't owe you anything, so you wait. Just like this, buys above 138,300, sells below 137,558. So if you're a beginner, you might be very interested, excited to take a trade, like, you know, oh, I want to make some money, I don't want to be just sitting around here, let's take some impulse moves, let's try this, let's try that. But you need to think to yourself, will that be sustainable, will that be working out in your future trades as well? You know, like, will that be sustainable? If I was to take, like, let's say, a 5 lot, would I have opened a 5 lot sell on GJ right over here? No, I wouldn't have, because lots of traffic. So if I was opening a 0.001, nothing much, it's nothing, it doesn't even make a dent. But if I was to open a 5 lot, definitely a big dent, right? So you need to understand when to go all in and when to just walk away. So yeah, so price is just ranging. Price is just ranging. So GG on the 15 minutes. So 15 minute. Let's see, 15 minute. Yeah, it looks interesting. It looks interesting, but I am waiting for a break above 138 300. Buys above 138 300 is my target. Yeah, because we have lots of traffic to the left. On the 15 minute, there's lots of traffic to the left. You look left, you see there's lots and lots of traffic. So I am waiting for price to break about 138 300. 138 300, because I won't be sucked into this. I don't want to get sucked into this. I want to be taking a peaceful trade above 138 300. 138 300 is holding like concrete. Sells below 137,558. So that's my trade. That'll be my only trade for today. I'm not taking a trade on gold. GPUSD looks very slow. So GJ. So I'm looking at GJ. If I don't get this trade before 7 p.m., that's it. I'm done for the day. So for the day, let me tell you exactly, right? For the day, yeah, I'm down. I'm down $31. That's it. Because I had a 2 lot open. I closed 1 lot. Yeah, right over here. Let me show you where exactly I opened. Right over here. Right over here. Right over here. As this position broke the high, yeah, I took it with a member of this a member who's here right now. So right over here, took it right at this point, and stop loss was below here. So we were hoping, we were actually talking. So we were hoping that this news, right, this news over here, GBP today, Wednesday over here, all positive news, right? All positive news. Even though it's not a red folder news, it was positive news. So what if, like, people in the UK, it was London, right? London session. People in the UK, right? They woke up and they're like, okay, you know what? Positive news. So yesterday we couldn't break up. Yesterday we couldn't break down. So as this broke the high, like, it looked like it was gonna pump up, you know, candles went down, came up. I took an entry. Let me tell you exactly. I took an entry at 138, 141. 138, 141 was right over here as it broke the high. As it broke the high, price went into some profits around 4-5 pips, and then price came back. As it was coming back, I closed 1 lot out of 2 at 140, 138, 142, which was a profit of 0.96 cents. And my commission was minus $7, so $7 obviously gone there. And then the other position was closed at 138, 122. 138, 122 was just here, right over here. As this came down, I closed it. Right here. Yeah, so eventually, obviously, I could have closed that break even if I had waited But see, I wanted to get out of this position because I wasn't comfortable. I wasn't comfortable because as soon as this was like, after I had my breakfast and like, I saw this price coming up and like, what, okay, price coming up, let's take a buy. And then I took a buy and then I looked left. And I said, oh, you know what? This area is, look at this area, right? Printed green, red, red, green, like green, red, green, red. And like, it's a pretty strong resistance. I wouldn't lie, it's a very strong resistance. Been respected since 17th of November, like since yesterday, Asian, been respected. So GJ is just in this range. So I wouldn't be taking a buy over here. Like, I wasn't willing to risk even like 50 bucks on this. As soon as I saw this, it put me off. It put me off. You know what am I doing? Like, why am I forcing a trade? So as soon as I took it, I closed it, and that's okay. See, 31, I just lost 31 on a 2 lot. So that is pretty, I'm proud of myself. Pretty good, 31, right? So imagine I was holding this, right? Let's draw this up. The long positions right over here as it broke the high, right here. And then my stops were here, right? Stops were just below this candle. So price did go up to around 4 or 5 pips profit, but that's okay. But see, imagine I was holding this, right? If I didn't get out, I would have lost $211 today. Yeah, $220 today. Simple as that. But instead of losing 220, I lost 31. That's okay. That's fine. That's totally fine by me. In my book, it's a win. So yeah, it is what it is. So I am simply waiting for buys above 138.300. Why? Because clean candles to the left and sells below 137.558. That is my target and game plan for today. If we get it, we get it. If not, if it happens during my non-trading time, that's okay. I missed the move and I will be ready for it next time. So simple as that. You're always winning if you don't have a position. If you don't have losses, you're always winning. So it is what it is. And I am right now, I am just simply waiting, looking at price action. Look at this, came down, secured. If you had secured profits here, you're a winner. If not, you're now at break even and it's time for you to get out of it. It's time for you to get out of it. So, yep. So let's see what happens. It's a very, very, very slow day in the market since yesterday. Since yesterday, it has been pretty slow. Very slow, very, very slow, right? Super slow. You need to take it very slowly and with precaution. With precaution, you need to take it very, very slow. Super slow, super slow. Yeah, GPY is just ranging. Yep. So look at this. 15-minute is now coming up, probably to retest this area or probably to continue all the way down. Yeah. So it is what it is. It is what it is. 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute. Yeah, we got that big fill. See this big fill? Perfect. This was the target you were aiming for. Got that, but didn't have time to enter, and I wasn't personally looking for a trade. So yeah, it's okay. Okay, see, some weeks you need to just let go. Let go, and next week or maybe tomorrow, Thursday, my last trading day, we can get a trade. But apart from that, other than that, like it's pretty slow. I would call it a very difficult week today. Very difficult week. Monday was perfect. Got my fix for Monday, and then we get this. Yeah. Yep. So GBP USD is also like this. Let's look at the FX community. Let's refresh this. And let's see what others are up to. Right? So Euro USD, GBP USD. Oh, GBP USD is short. People are going short. Okay, GBP JPY 50/50. Okay. Euro AUD, yeah, look at Euro AUD. Euro AUD is longs, okay. AUD JPY, AUD NZY, NZD, okay. So yeah, pretty big range, pretty messy range, messy range. 1 hour, 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour looks like this. Yeah, 1 hour, yeah, this area is also, yeah, so let's say, right, if we get a break below this, maybe we can come up to this area. So this area, let's say this area is around, yeah, still not enough, 20 pips, 15 pips, yeah, wouldn't be interested. I want price to break 138,300. I want price to break 138,300. To be on the safe side, 138,300. Yeah, there's some resistance here, but this is what it has to break. This is what it has to break. Yeah. 30-minute looks good. 30-minute has broken the high. But what we are looking for is 138, 290, 300. And if we get a break above that, awesome. That'll be really good. Really good. Yeah, so let's look at so Tesla joined. Tesla. Ooh, look at Tesla. 17th November and this 460. 460. Huge gap. Huge gap. This gap. 500 pips or 500 points. Yeah. Tesla is pretty forever, yeah. US 30, yeah, US 30 is going up. US 30 hit 30,000, right? Yeah, 30,000. So when did US 30 hit 30,000? Last month? No, not last month. Let's see, monthly. Oh, US 30 never hit 30,000. Okay, so this was the high on, this was the high on what? This was the high on 3rd February 2020. Came all the way down to 17, 16, 18,000. Yeah, this was for Corona and back again for vaccine optimism. 30-minute, 30-minute. Yeah. Yeah, oh, and also Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is heading up. Bitcoin, I saw some post today. Bitcoin is heading up. Bitcoin, USD. Yeah, Bitcoin is on 18,000. Bitcoin is on 18,000. So let's go to the monthly. Yep. So this right over here, 2017. So this was when I was in uni, right? When I was in uni, and lots of my friends, they were saying Bitcoin's gonna go up, Bitcoin's gonna go up. And then it went up. So after my exams, I come and see it's up. It went up to like this thing, and this entire duration, it just kept on going up. So went to 20,000, and lots of people bought at this top. Lots and lots of people bought at this top, right over here. And then what happened? This bubble burst, came all the way back down, all the way to 3,000. Yeah, I remember 3,000. Yeah, 3,000 February 2019. This happened 2017, 2019, and I know a guy who was holding a 18 to $19,000 loss on Bitcoin. He bought it at the top, right over here, somewhere around 16,000, and some small lot, I think. And he was holding it. He was telling, 2007, he was telling me Bitcoin's gonna go to 90,000. 90,000 is like where? 90,000 is somewhere here. Maybe it will, but we never know. But see, 3 years ago, right? 3 years ago, and he's still holding that loss. And I think today he's still in a $2,000 loss for holding it. $2,000 loss for holding it. I think swap fees, I don't know. I asked him today and he said, yeah, he's still holding it. He is still holding it. And this move was, whoa, amazing. This move was crazy. Yeah. So we trade only for 2 hours. So imagine that guy's stress, right? For 3 years, he is looking at his capital being eaten away. Capital being eaten, I don't even know how to calculate this. Capital being eaten away. So what is this? 146,000? No. 1,464,000. So this was about what? I have no idea. No idea how to calculate this. So price came down to 3,000. People who bought here, okay, perfect. People who bought here, when was this? This was around March 19th, and then it went up to 9,000. So they profited a lot. And then once again, you got an opportunity right over here. This was for Corona, yeah, 3,850. And then ever since that, it's just been climbing slowly and steadily. And yesterday, right? Let's go to the daily. Let's go to the daily. Okay, look at gold. Gold is back in play. Gold just fooled everybody, got their money, and then they're back in play. Gold is back in this range. Yeah, gold is back in that range, and Bitcoin is today. Bitcoin is at 18,000. 18,000. Pretty intense. Pretty intense. At Bitcoin during 19th of July. So daily. This is the daily. Yeah, so this was yesterday. So for the past how many days? Let's see, right over here. Yeah, so for the past 50 days, yeah, started from here, right? So 10,000, it was stabilized at 10,000, and then we came up all the way. This was a breakout candle. So past 39 days, Bitcoin has been just rallying like insane. Yeah, so these are things. It is coming back up, very slow, very slow. Yeah, super slow. Super slow. Super slow. See, one could also say, right? One could also say that I can take a trade here, right? I can take a trade here as it broke the high. As it broke the high, which stops below this around 10 pips, and you aim this area around 12 pips. But as I told you, aiming for 10 pips when there's a range of only 12, 13 pips, it's not worth it. I wouldn't be willing to take a trade when there's the target of 12, let's say targets, you get 12 targets and you can only aim 10. So what is the probability of you aiming that entire 10, right? No, I don't think we can get that. So for me today, I am personally waiting for buys about 138,300. 138,300, and if we don't get a buy about 138,300, that's okay. There's tomorrow, and then there's Monday. Yes, and there's Monday, and it is what it is. It is what it is. So I'm telling you guys, something big is coming up. Something big is happening. Something big is going to happen to GJ, to the pound, and to the UK. Something big, yeah. So we just have to wait. We don't know whether it's going to be bullish. We don't know whether it's going to be bearish. So you gotta wait, and you gotta wait till price tells you. Price tells you. Price gives you confirmation. Price gives you confirmation. So right now, nothing much. Right, nothing much. I'm not going to force a trade. See, rejection. Yeah. See what happened? I think somebody just wrote this algo, and now what's happening is that Price is pretty slow. Price is pretty slow. Somebody wrote an algorithm saying we are going to range GJ from 13th of November, then until maybe tomorrow, I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty rangy. So no. Yeah, look at gold. Gold on the 15 minute. 15 minute closed pretty bullish. So once this breaks up over here, still see, sometimes your intuition tells you, you know, today, Resh, today you are not going to touch gold. Today you're not going to take a trade on anything except GJ. If GJ gives you that, take that trade. If not, that's it. If not, you're done for the day. Because yesterday was a pretty mentally stressed out day. Took three trades and took a loss, right? Took a loss. I took a trade on during London, took a loss. Trade during New York, two trades, took two losses, and then finally last trade during New York was sells, GJ sells, and recovered that loss and was on a break even. And finally, once we ended the stream, got that gold push for CPI, no, not CPI, core retail sales. So entered on a 5 lot there, and then made at least $300 for the day. So that's pretty good. So today I'm conserving that, you know, today I'm conserving that. Some days you got to conserve profits. Some days you got to conserve profits. Let this horrid clouds pass by and wait for clear skies and sunny days. So yep. Yeah, no. Not willing to take a trade here on 30 minute. Yeah, look at this 30 minute. Not willing to take a trade over here. Yep. So let's see. So GU is, yeah, GU is just ranging. GU is just ranging. So let's look at ideas. Let's look at ideas, UPJPY. Let's see what the majority think. So buy, okay. Go over incorrect forecasting. So he's trying to sell. This was 19 hours ago. Okay. All right. And GPGPY is the same guy as 3 hours ago. Darius. So Darius says, yeah. So Darius is also expecting some buys. Yeah. Once this, I would say, once we break the high of the daily, we can get a buy. That is still 138,300. Okay, so let's say where price is. Let's see where price is, and price is, yeah, just ranging over here. And then let's go to what Farid Muhammad says. Farid Muhammad says that sell stop. Okay, sell stop. Okay, it's 137,622. 137. Oh, that's right over here. Same, some 622 is, oh, that's somewhere here. Okay, he's selling once this goes down. Yeah, makes sense, but safe sells, I would say this. Okay, perfect. Farid Muhammad is also on track, and GPGPY descending. Okay, so descending. Okay, so he's also expecting sells to this green line. So what is this green line? What is that green line? Okay, so these are just ideas, right? So once you have done your analysis, you can just come to this and check, like, you know, what people think, or if you can, like, you know, get some ideas from this to incorporate into your main idea. But if not, like, resistance area here. Okay, so this is on the 8 hour. Oh, he's analyzing on the 8 hour. I've never heard of people analyzing on 8 hours. 8 hour, and then support cluster. Sounds like some Corona cluster. Okay. So GBPJPY continuation. Oh, this guy got in a trade. So let's see. Why did you get in over here? 15 minutes. Okay. This was 22 hours ago. So let's see what happened to his trade. Let's see. Oh, stop loss hit. Stop loss hit. So this is what happens when you trade in a range. Came down. If he secured, But so let's say this was 138. So he got around. Yeah, not much. Not much. Yeah, goes long. So see, that's what I'm thinking as well. Like my bias is buys, but from the way it's going, it's a 50-50. There's nothing that price is telling us that GJ is going to be bullish. Nothing, nothing. Look at this. Look at this guy. It's coming. He's coming down again. 5 minute on the 5 minute. Yeah. So 5 minute career resistance here. Yeah. Look at this resistance right over here, and it's heading down. We'll probably retest this area, but once again we have this area here. Yeah. So it's like I told you, nothing looks very appealing. 30 minute, yeah, 30 minute. We can get a wick fill on 30 minute. See, that looks pretty good, right? We can get a wick fill on 30 minute, which stops 22 pips. Then you expect price to come down. Yeah. But still, no. I'm gonna stick to my bias. I'm gonna stick to my one trade for today. Just this. Just waiting for this. That's all. Waiting for this, and if we get price here, then it is okay. But if we get GPJPY, that's totally fine. Yeah, see, we're getting that wick fill 15 minute. What's 15 minute? Oh, 50, okay. So wait. So once this 15-minute low breaks, where can our stops be? Stops are like 47. Still not worth it. It's not worth it. Nothing looks appealing. It's like you're going to the buffet and you're choosing things which you like, not what other people are telling you, which you like. If you don't like it, you don't have to choose it. So nope. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Yeah, we're getting that wick fail. This first coming down, going up. So pretty slow day. Pretty slow day. Now 1869, yeah. UJ. Oh, this is dropping. Okay. That's pretty good. Some rings, and then let's see USDJPY. Oh, USDJPY is also down by 0.24%. Yeah, it's a 15 minute. 15 minutes. Yeah. Oh, not looking at that. So yeah, lots of waiting. So I'll be right back. I'll get something to drink and I'll be back. All right. So let's see. Oh, okay, yeah, this was some time ago. I didn't see this. Okay. All right. So let's look at this. GJ, yeah, pretty slow. Like, you know, look at this price action. Pretty slow, and gold is also coming back up here. This is why you shouldn't enter impulse trades. So if you did enter, you're on a drawdown. You're on a drawdown of 12.5 pips. Nothing much. Look at the news. Trump's on a rampage here, fighting everybody. And Elon Musk is now officially richer than Mark. And yeah, that's crazy. Vaccine news again. This ain't PS5. I'll stop playing. Lol, Moderna. Oh, okay. So what I saw on news earlier is that on my Twitter channel. So what's happening is that Pfizer, right? Yeah, it's called Pfizer. So Pfizer is, or Pfizer, whatever. So it's promoting their vaccine. It was first at 92%, and then Moderna said it was 90. Their vaccines were at 94%. Sputnik, I believe it's called Sputnik, Russian vaccine, was at 92% or 90%. So everybody is competing to get the highest rate, successful rate. So now, I would say next week, somebody's going to come up and say my vaccine effective rate is 98%, 97%. Yeah, 97%. So plans to submit. Yeah. So look at this, man. Look at this. We are waiting for something, but that something is not happening. It is not happening today. So I think today will be in another 45 minutes. If we don't get a trade, I think it will be the first trading day that we didn't take any trades on live. So normally we at least take some trade, whether it's a loss or a profit. We take some trade. Yesterday we took two trades, and today I'm just sitting on my hands. And waiting for price to do its thing. Price came up here on the 15-minute, right? 15-minute looked fancy, but if we had taken a trade here, we will be currently in a drawdown. Yeah. So now, even if I was aiming for this area, even if I was waiting for this height to break and then price to go up and then come up to this resistance, that would be good. But see, a lot of buts. When there are buts in your analysis, then that analysis won't work out. But there are resistance, but there's rejections. See, when there's a but, nothing works out. Yeah, I'm not comfortable. Like I said, 138.300. I want 138.300, or I don't want anything else. Simple as that. Simple as that. Simple as that. Yep. Let's remove this, right? So this is the next area here. So this is some kind of resistance as well. So if we do break up, education purpose, I'm not taking a trade. If we do break up, so 18 pips for a gain of 15 pips, and further on, can we get this same candle? See, this was news, right? This was news. News corrects itself. This was news. This entire move was news. So can we get a trade after we break the high over here? Same way. Let's take this away, right? Recent price action is just this. 30 minute, yeah, 30 minute is bearish. 15 minute, Yeah, everything is just going down. Yeah, so everything is just very rangy. Very rangy. Nothing looks fancy. Nothing looks fancy. Wow. Nothing looks good. Yesterday was upsetting. Today is like, very slow. To know what's happening here. To know. Yeah, let's see this. Darkening tone. No, bro. Yeah. I mean, it's not bad luck. I mean, it's not bad luck. It's just that when you joined, the markets went to sleep. That's what happened. When you joined, the markets told you, you know what? There's a newbie here. He's trying to learn. He's trying to learn the perfect way. So let's just be on pause. So let's be on pause. So that's what's happening. See, look at GJ. Ever since you came to the stream yesterday, GJ has been ranging, man. GJ has been ranging. Crazy. Bro, that's not bad luck. Don't worry, it's not bad luck. It's just one of those days. So don't worry. Yeah, it was a joke. See, maybe like this is like teaching all of us patience. And this is how do I say? It builds you up. In end of the day, it builds you up as a better trader. So it's better to experience these first when you're a beginner than to experience proper moves. When you're experiencing this and you're experiencing like moves like this, like waiting, not taking any trades, then when you're starting out itself, you are conditioning your mind. You know what? We have to look for specific things. We have to look for specific trades, specific confirmations. So let's say you came to the markets like last week. When Mr. FX 101 joined, we had some crazy moves. Like we had some moves like this move was crazy. Like look at this move. This was like 9th of November. FX 101 joined, I think 8th or 7th, somewhere here. And then this move, this was like 200 pips. And then FX 101 was pretty amused. He was amazed by all this stuff, like, and then he private messaged me and he asked, oh, what happened? Like, what is this? Like, how could we have got this move? So those things, like, like he experienced it when the market was doing very well. So now you're experiencing this at the bottom. So when you're experiencing this at the bottom, you learn everything from scratch. So let's say like person, right? Let's say a person, he experiences this and he takes a buy over here. Let's say a beginner, right? A beginner, he comes like when the market was super good, and he takes a buy here, and then he makes like what? For his luck, he makes around 74 pips. That's on a one lot, like, or maybe he uses 2 lots, no risk management, 2 lots. So he makes around $1,500 over there, right? So when he's in this situation, like when he's trading in this situation, when you have to keep your hands to yourself, sit on the sidelines, it's going to be really hard. Trust me, it's going to be really hard. It's going to be super hard because he hasn't seen this situation. People haven't seen the situation. People have only seen like, oh, price going up or down. Look at this move, crazy move. So when you're in a situation, you're going to buy, sell. You're going to buy, sell. You're going to play the range, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And when you come back in the night, then you look at your terminal before going to sleep, and you'll see, wow, I've just wrecked myself. I have eaten my capital away. I didn't take any well-informed trades. So because of that, I've doomed myself. So these are just learning curves. So this, for me, since yesterday, it's just this entire range. It's just testing my patience. It's always testing my patience. So my brain is telling me, what? Take a trade. this is coming down, it's breaking the low. But once this came down, like my brain, right, it tells you, like we all are humans. End of the day, it tells you, oh, take a trade, it's going to go down, it's going to go down, come, take a trade, take it. You didn't take any trades today, you're down $30, take a trade, we can make that loss back. But no, you tell your brain to stop thinking, and you think to yourself as a very well informed trader, not as a gambler. You think to yourself as a very informed trader, and then you tell yourself, you know what, no, yesterday you fooled me, today I am very woke, so I have set my criteria 138,300 and sells below 137,500. So if you don't give me that, then I'm not trading today. Simple as that. Like, just think like this: you go to a car dealer, and you see that that car has some dents on the corner, and then he's quoting you this price. He's telling you what, I'll give you this price for like 138, let's say, yeah, 138, right? So 138. But you tell him, you know what, I want a specific price. I want this price because your car, the car has been damaged. You haven't changed the wheels. You haven't maintained service records. So I want a better price. And then like he tells you no, so you have to take this thing. So you tell him, you know what, you give me this price or nothing, and you leave the place. So then he waits. That car dealer, he waits. He thinks. So this is all that what GJ is doing. He's thinking whether I give it at a better price or whether I just keep on ranging until somebody else comes and takes the trade. So now you are this well-informed buyer, and you're waiting here till this dealer gives you a better price, till this dealer gives you another better price over here. So you're just stuck in this middle. You are in this area and you want price to come to you. Always wait for price to come to you. Always wait for price to come to you. So yeah. So it's been what, almost 1 hour and 30 minutes. No trades. I am sitting on my hands, no trades. No trades. No trades. Look at this range. This area is a range on the 5 minute. This area is a range on the 5 minute. Everything is ranging. So yeah, so it is what it is. So this is pretty good. The Malaysian ringgit is getting weaker, which means I can buy more ringgits. No, I can sell my ringgits for a higher dollar. Yeah, higher dollar price. Yeah. Turn. Look at this. It's just so slow. It actually pisses me off to see price like this. It's never been like this for a long time. It's like, oh wow, amazing. We buy at 4.08. That's beautiful. Okay. So yeah, we sell at 4.135. So $1 buys 4.08. Perfect. 4.08. Perfect. That's pretty good. Yeah, so everything is ranging. Nothing much. So today, by the looks of it, I think it's going to be a no trading day for me. No trading day, no trades. I'm not taking anything. Only took one trade right over here. close that in a minor loss, $30 loss. That's it. That's it. Apart from that, nothing else. Price is just crazy. Yeah. Brexit, Brexit. Let's look at GBP-CAD. GBP-CAD. Yeah, same thing with GBP-CAD. Yeah, all GBP pairs. Look at this. GBP-CAD is a range, closing side by side, a range. All pound pairs. I'm telling you, something is up. I am telling you that something is up with pound pairs. Okay. Oil is going up. Oil is good. As long as the okay, this is for vaccine. Yeah, this is a vaccine. As long as there is vaccine optimism, oil is going to continue. Because what oil producers will think is, you know, when there's a vaccine, people are going to get vaccinated, and then they will be traveling. They will be traveling from states to states, and then places to places, countries to countries. Cruises will be operating, airlines will be operating. So then oil demand will go up. See, oil went negative, right? At one point, oil went negative. Let me show you that. Some negative. It went below zero. Yeah, right over here. Oil hit zero. Yeah, it went negative. People made lots of money here. People bought here, but what happened was the brokers, they did not allow that. They did not allow them to cash that out. That wasn't allowed to be cashed out. Negative price protection. As soon as it went negative, and then back again. Oil was trading at $10 per barrel. $10 per barrel. Just imagine buying oil. And today, let's say you bought like 100 barrels of oil. Today, oil is trading at 30, is it 3,000 or 32,000? 32,515. So 3,000 pips, is it? Yeah, should be, right? 3,000 pips. Yeah. Oh, look at GG, it's just stuck there. Just stuck. It's USD. Oh, what is this? What was I looking at over here? Stop. So yeah. Today. No trades. It's closing side by side, and this is for, yeah, this is tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, and then this is, yeah. It is what it is. It is what it is. Price. Yeah, literally nothing to do. Just look at price action. That's all we can do. Just look at price action. Literally nothing to do. Haven't done this in a long time. Look at gold also. Gold also is trading like this. Wicks down, wicks up, wicks down. And now it's like a barcode. Just like a barcode. So 5:45 time, 6:30, and let's say till 6:45. If we don't get anything, then we come back tomorrow. And if tomorrow looks pretty slow as well, then Monday it is. Let's see what happens. Wow. Looking low here. It's just a range. This entire area is a range. Area is a big range. Big range. So during this time, when price is ranging, just get up and go get something to eat, go get something to drink, set your alerts, do something like, do some stretches, do some push-ups, just keep your mind in check, keep your emotions in check. And so we are getting some volume here, getting some volume kicking into the markets, volume coming here, volume coming up. Yeah, volume is coming up. 7 pips for 4 pips. No, not worth it. Not worth it. Not worth it. Yeah, look at gold. Everything is just fooling everybody. Okay. And yeah, so everything is just fooling everything. And looking at GPJPY, we might be able to get a wick fill. Yeah, we might be able to get a wick fill, but that wick fill is around 9 pips. Not worth it. Once again, not worth it. Not worth it. Not worth it. Yeah, it's not worth it. 870. We can get a break below this area. If we can get a break below here, 33 pips. 33 pips, maybe 21 pips and all the way down. We need to break, we need to close below this area. We need to close below these areas. Now this is heading what? It's around 6 pips. 6 pips. So can we get that volume today? Can we get volume in the markets today? This looks like it's coming down. It's coming down over here. It's coming down. DJ is finally moving. Can it be? Can it be? Can it be? Can it be? Can GJ move? Can GJ come down? Can GJ come down? Looking left, let's see. Looking left, GJ. This up, right? This support has been holding for some time, and yeah. So guys, like, let me tell you something, right? If you want to send me a chart to analyze it here, what you can do is you can press this, right? Take a snapshot, this camera button over here. Press that, take a snapshot, and then you can send me this link, something like this. You can send me this link on the Zoom chat, and it'll be easier for me to like, you put it over here. It'll be easier for me to analyze it, something like that. Yeah. And then when you click on it, you'll be able to see my chart. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's look at Rashiv's chart. Okay, so you place this. Okay, resistance. Okay, so this is what you were expecting. That's what you were expecting. So this resistance, yeah, this resistance is holding 138. Let's bring this over here. Let's bring this over here. 138,029 was your resistance. So 138,029. Yeah, this was held as resistance. Okay. And then price, you anticipated price to come down to 137,939. 137,939. So 137,939 right over here. Okay. So yes, this was your other resistance. This was the main resistance. So yeah, so why I didn't take a trade here? Yeah. So analysis is good, but why I didn't take a trade here is because this area is a very choppy area, very, very choppy area. Looking left, you need to look left to see price action, right? So me taking a sell here, like, yeah, me taking a sell there, like stop loss was just above this, and this is a strong resistance, I know, but I am personally waiting for this 138. This will be a pretty good move as well. 138, 123. That's somewhere here, right? Yeah. So maybe a break up over here to here, or maybe a break over here. So today I am being very careful. I am being very careful. So this is very good. I mean, this is very good. It will be awesome if you can like label it and put your thought process somewhere here. And yeah, so your analysis was here taking a sell and all the way down. So if you did take a sell, yes, would have worked out. You would be in 10, 11 pips. Yeah, 10, 11 pips. You would be in profit by now, 15 pips profit. Yeah, that's pretty good. So right now, I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. Yeah, so your market pretty well. 137,827, 137,827. 137,827. Yeah, this area. Okay. Okay, sounds good. Okay, okay, okay. No problem, bro. No problem. Okay, so yeah, gold is pulling up. GJ is just ranging. So now this will be the plan for after the session, right? So after the session, what I'm going to do is, since I haven't taken any trades for New York, I will be looking at 8 p.m. I'll take a break for an hour. And I'll come back here at 8 p.m. because 8 p.m. Why 8 p.m.? Because NYSE opens at 8 p.m. Colombo time, right? So 8 p.m. I will see if we can get a break above 138,300, or if we can get sells below this area 137,872 or 137,558. That will be the only time I'll come, because only that time you get volume. So after NYSE open, you don't get volume at all. You don't get volume after NYSE opens, like around 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. Colombo time. You don't get much volume. So at that time I am doing other things and not looking at the charts. The only time you look at the charts was 8 p.m. New York, pre-New York, and New York volume. So let's go to 8 p.m. Yesterday, like 8 p.m., right? So 8 p.m. was right over here. Wait, 8 p.m. was here, 8 p.m. was here, yeah. 8 p.m. was right over here, yeah. See how this, we got a little bit of volume, but was ranging. Ranging, and so this candle looked very promising, right? Yeah, this candle looked very promising, but looking left, we had some resistance, so we came back all the way here. Yeah, so we came down all the way here. So we have to wait. We have to wait. We have to wait. We gotta wait. Gotta wait. Yeah, nothing much. Nothing much. So all these guys are after cash. 95% effective after cash. Because why Moderna said they're 94, 95, or 93% effective. So everybody's after cash. Everybody's chasing after something. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Gold is pumping up. Gold is pumping up over here. 15 minutes. Yeah, broke the high and off the races. Off to the races. Around 20 pips. Wow, amazing. 20 pips. So we are mirroring this candle. This is what we were expecting.
just to mirror this candle. We are mirroring this candle all the way up to this area. Yeah, this was for news, came down and then all the way back up. All the way back up on gold. Gold is messy, GJ is messy. Today doesn't seem right. Like today doesn't seem right. Today doesn't seem right. So I wouldn't be willing to take a trade today. Yeah, let's put it that way. Today I'm gonna take a day off. Yeah, I'm gonna take a day off. No mental stress, no looking at charts, no looking at screen time. So I'll come back at 8 p.m. and at 8 p.m. if we don't get anything, if I don't get anything, then that's it. I'm calling it a day. Calling it a day. Very slow, very choppy. Yeah, this move. See, all these moves, like these moves, right? So you can't actually trade them. Why can't you trade them? Because like they don't give you any confirmation, no confirmation. This came up, came down, looked like it was gonna go retest the low, and then suddenly, boom, all the way up. Gold is bullish, but for you to take a position, you need confirmation. You need confirmation. You need confirmation. So yeah, you need proper confirmation on, look at this, very choppy price action. Yeah, very oh, we are heading down over here, 870, 138.70, 870. Okay, so can we get a close below this area, right? Can we get a close below this area for us to go down? Let's go to the 15 minute. 15 minutes closing, 54 seconds. Okay, so the next 15 minute, right? Next 15 minutes. So I'm gonna reduce my lot size like by 80%. 80%, because if I'm gonna take a trade, I want this. Oh, there we go. As we're talking, look at that pull up. Yeah, it is what it is. Look at that. Had 54 seconds for the market to close, for the candle to close, 25 seconds, and just pulling up, just look at that, just pulling up, crazy, just crazy. Just pulling up. Yes, very nice, bro. You took a sell 137.919. So 137.919. Okay, 137.919. Okay, right over here. And then you secure 882. Just over here. Okay. So I would say that trade was a very risky trade. I know you were looking for this candle to mirror, but taking a trade here, your stops would have been pretty high. Yes. Where were your stops? 12 pips. 12 pip stops. My thought process, because let me look at that. Okay, so this was your thought process. That was because of the clean candle to the left. Clean candle to the left. This was on the 15 minute. Okay, so this. Okay, so 15 minutes. So you wanted this to mirror this, right? So 15 minutes. So let's look at the 15 minute. Okay. So you're looking at this area. So you have enlarged this, and you are looking to fill this area. Okay. Yeah, so this area was some kind of a mini resistance. Yeah, so you're looking at this. Okay, got it. Yes. Yeah, yes, it is pretty risky, bro. It is pretty risky to enter here because we have a very strong support here. We don't know when price is going to get pushed up, right? So you got lucky over here that you secured right over here.
But if it was like this, let's say like this, right? You took a trade here, and then this wasn't even a support, got pushed all the way back up. So right over here, you gotta take trades with a proper story behind them, like you know what's going to happen, like just like driving. Like when you're driving a car, you know where to turn, when to brake, when to accelerate. So over here, taking a trade here was pretty risky, because in my opinion, it's very risky because there was some kind of a mini support here, and there was a strong support here. So volume was coming in, but luckily you secured. You secured right over here. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So now we are just waiting. This candle actually gave me hopes. It was gonna close somewhere here. If it had closed somewhere here, and next candle broke the low, then definite sells with managed risk up to this area first. That's around what, 15 pips from here? Yeah, no, 6 pips. No, this is around 15 pips. 15 pips is right over here. Yeah, so this candle closed up like that, indicating once again no trades. No trades, nothing today, nothing, literally nothing today. Literally nothing today. Yeah, some days you just gotta sit on your hands and just watch price action. Yeah, look at gold coming down. Went up all the way and now it's coming down. Right, so let's do just an analysis on this two price. Let's analyze gold on the 30-minute. On the 30-minute, we saw, now this is called the 30-second analysis, right? You mark up, watch on a 30-minute, and based on 30-minute, you just take a trade, or like, you know, just see if 30-minute is respecting. And so this is my 30-second analysis. 30-second analysis right over here. You just draw these candles. So, and then now you tell yourself, if we break up over here, we have this. But if we break up above this, we have this area to fill. Why? Because clean candles. Clean candles all the way from here to here, around 40 pips. And then further on, we have clean candles right over here. Clean candles. Yeah, clean candles. And if we break this, right, we are coming down to fill this area. This area, this wick is worth 50 pips. Perfect. This wick is worth 50 pips. And if we are coming over here, a very small range to play with, but a break above this, we are coming all the way here. Why clean candles here, and only the resistance is right here. So now probably it's retesting this. It's around 30 pips. Once again, not comfortable. Oh, this is breaking down here. Breaking bad. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Can we get a break? Below this 137,857? This is a very strong resistance, very strong support, See, once again, as it touches it, it's going up. As it touches it, it's going up. As it touches it, right? As it touches it. Yeah. Let's clean this up, right? Now we're looking at 30 minutes. Let's put this properly, clean this up. And now currently we see some kind of resistance here. Okay, right? So now we're looking at current price action. So current price action, right? So if we break below this, where will we come? We will come to our point right over here. Price tried to break up above, couldn't. Now it's coming down, and gotta wait. We gotta wait. Gotta wait. This, if you extend this to the left, you see that this has been supported throughout. Why am I drawing this now? Because now price is almost towards my selling bias, not towards buying bias. So now I'm anticipating selling options. Selling options, I still have 8 more minutes and 7 more minutes for this candle to close. And if this candle closes, if this candle comes down and, like, you know, closes as it is, like if we get a break below this or close below this, that'd be perfect. But in 8 minutes, if we don't get a trade, I don't get a trade, then I'm calling it a day. I'm calling it a day. I am calling it a day. So even if I'm entering, my lot size will be reduced. Instead of using a 5 lot, I'll be using a 1 lot. Let's put it that way. I'll be using a 1 lot. 1.25 probably, yeah, 1 lot. Yeah. Because when the conditions aren't favorable, you need to reduce your risk. Reduce your risk. See, we have reached this area. And on the 15 minute, yeah, look at that rejection. Come on, GJ, you can do this today. You can give me that sell today. Sell or buy, whatever it is. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. This was the previous analysis in the morning. So now we will remove everything. Remove primes. Yeah, GU is going down. Yeah, GJ is putting itself up. So we believe this, we are going to have a very strong volume coming in, very strong candles. Probably no time to even enter. You know, no time to even enter because this has been ranging throughout. So you gotta be prepared. Gotta be prepared. Gotta be prepared. Gotta be prepared. Let's say, let's analyze it. If we take a sell here, the stops will be around 10 pips and you're aiming for 10, 15 pips. Okay, let's see. Let's wait for 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes until we get that. Until we get that push. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Gold, oh, gold is pushing up. Gold is pushing up over here. Gold is pushing up. Taking a buy over here. Let's say I'm not taking a buy. I'm not. Your stop loss will be 26 pips for a gain of 16 pips and further up. So if gold is moving, GJ is supposed to move. Let's extend. Yeah, let's extend or wait for another 4 minutes, another 4 to 5 minutes. Based on that, look at that. Look at that. It's crazy. Gold is crazy. Gold or GJ? Gold or GJ? Which one? Which one? Which one? Gold or GJ? Gold or GJ? Gold or GJ? 23 pips for a gain of 16 pips. This one, oh, it's coming down. It is coming down. It is coming down and it's breaking the low. Is it breaking the low? Can it break the low? Can it break the low? Come on. Can GJ break the low? Can GJ break the low? Okay, there we go. A little bit more. Little bit more. Little bit more. Has to break the low. Yeah, 30 minutes. Let's look at 30 minute. 30 minutes also coming down. 15 minute. Yeah, so we are at heavy support. So we're gonna wait till it closes in 2 minutes. It has to close below this in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. Yeah, gold is also trying to push up over here. Gold is also trying to push up over here. Gold is trying to push up. So can we finally say volume is coming into the markets or what? Yeah. See, you gotta wait. You gotta wait. You gotta wait for candles to close. Gotta wait for candles to close. Gotta wait. Gold is trying to push up. See how it's pulling itself up. It is pulling itself up, and we have to wait. Yeah, still ranging. So in 2 minutes, yeah, probably still like 7.5, and then we'll see what happens. 7.5, and if we don't get that, then no trades for today. No trades for today. Yeah, it's pulling up now. It's pulling up. No trades for today. This is very strong. 137.855 is pretty strong. 30 minute came down just like this, dipped into this area, and then yeah, look, if in 13 seconds, if we get a close somewhere here, then perfect. But if we get it somewhere here, just over here, like above these areas, then if yeah, see, look at that. If this 30 minute breaks the low, 5 pips for a gain of further 10.50 to this pick on the bottom, 18 pips. Gotta wait. Yeah, look at this. Broke the high, but it's closing bearish. 30 minutes is still open. Yeah, 30 minutes still open. 30 minutes, new 30-minute candle, right? So maybe once we get something, some wick down here and then break the high, then probably. But right now, I'm giving it 4 more minutes for price to give me something attractive. But if nothing works out, then it is what it is. That's it. I'm done for the day. Literally nothing today. Literally no probable trades except for the gold vaccine. The vaccine optimism, we saw gold fall like what, 50-60 pips, and apart from that, nothing. Yeah, look at this guy. Look at this guy just trying to go up. So it is what it is. It is what it is. End of the day. Yeah, I would say no trading. Today is not a trading day for me today. Today is not a trading day. Today is very hectic. Yeah, this range is a killer range. This range is a killer range. It's been holding since 16th November. Now let's extend this, right? It's been holding since the 13th of November. 13th November to 18th November. Yeah, strong support. Strong support. So you've got to wait till it breaks. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. Oh, look at this. Came down, broke the high. So this move, what was what? 12 pips. This move was 12 pips. Came up, broke the high, and all the way down. I don't know. I really have no idea what's happening in the markets today. Today, yesterday, very dull day. Very, very dull day. So one more minute, and after this, I am done for the day. I will be closing my charts and coming back probably around 8 p.m. to see if there's any trades. But right now, nothing today. Literally nothing today. Just yeah, this the $30. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Look at that. Gold is acting so weird. Gold is acting so weird. Okay, we had some news here. We had some news. 7 p.m. right? Yeah, CAD news. CAD CPI was pretty good. CAD yeah, CAD housing permits, building permits. The housing starts at 1.53. Okay, building permits decreased by a little bit, but yeah, CAD. GJ is ranging gold. CAD. SYGB CAD. Yeah, nothing much. Look at this movement. This was the news candle and moved only 15 pips. Nope. So yep, so that's about it for today, guys. That's about it for today. Nothing much. You literally came here to listen to me, listen to my talking, and like just going through looking at this most of the time. Thank you for coming. I appreciate you guys for coming, and yeah, so no trade for me until so this is my plan. So if you are still trading, if you are still looking at the charts, if you're still watching the charts, I would take a sell below this area. A sell below 137.841 and a buy above 138.300. Buys are definitely above 138.300, but a sell below 137.850. So that's it, guys. So gold is just rushing up. Gold is going up. I'm not taking a trade over here. I'm not. Today is a very selective day, very specific day. So take good care. Do not over trade. Do not over risk. You made profits on Monday. Conserve those profits. You made profits yesterday. Conserve those profits. If you're up by a percentage for the week, conserve those profits. Conserve those profits, and let's see what tomorrow brings. So today we didn't lose any cash. Full analysis. We were waiting for price to come up to 138.300. We were waiting for sales below 137 840. Didn't happen. Price was this was our entire session, right? This candle, these three candles, these four candles, right, represented our entire session. Right over here, this candle, yeah, this candle went up, 6, and that's it. This such a tiny movement. So it is what it is. So you take good care of yourselves, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow. And if I am looking at any trade ideas, I will be putting it up on Slack. So keep an eye out for Slack. So take good care and have a great day. So we didn't lose any money. We didn't take any trades. So stress-free trading. So have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you, Rashif. Take good care, bro. See you, bro.